going to be demonstrating the written form of short division. This is more commonly known as the bus stop method. This method is used to divide one number, the dividend, by another number, the divisor. Today I'm using different representations for the number. We have the iconic representations with the place value arrows. We have to show that their value 364 divided by 7. I'm also using block 10 dienes to show the quantitative value that they can use manipulatively. So you have 364, and I'm also going to be using place value counters, which children will be moving on as dienes can become a bit cumbersome. So we have 364 divided by 7. To start off, we draw our bus stop. We put the divisor on the outside and the dividend on the inside. This can be confusing for students as it is different to their normal methods of written methods of addition, subtraction, and written methods of addition, subtraction, and multiplication. So firstly, we have to work the divisor into the dividend's first number, which is a 3 here, and we have to tell the student this represents 300. This is why we're using base 10 blocks here, so it's 300 blocks here and 300 place counters. We can see the 7 won't go into the 300s, so we have to exchange that 3 over into the tens column. So we exchange the 300 blocks. So we exchange one of the 300 blocks for 10 lots of tens, and then another lot of tens, and then another lot of tens. So now we have 36 tens, and we'll also change over the place value counter for a further 30 tens. So now we're moving on to the second one. So we have the 36 tens. We have to see how many times 7 will divide into the 36 tens. So we can move these over here. So we have 1 10, 2 10, 3 10, 4 10, 5 10, 6 10, 7 tens, 4 10, 7 tens, another 7 tens, another 7 tens, another 7 tens, the remainder of 10. We can do the same with the place value counters. Remainder of 10. So we can see that it goes in to the tens column 5 times. So we place the 5 above here in the tens column. And we have one remainder 10, which we'll have to exchange again for 10 ones. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, giving us 14 ones, and then another 14 ones here as well. With their knowledge of their times table, they'll be able to see that 7 times by 2, it makes 14, so they'll know that 7 goes into 14 exactly twice. So we can represent this again. 7, given us the answer 2 here. So that gives us our answer of 364 divided by 7 equals 52. With division being the inverse of multiplication, we can check our answer using the grid stop method. So we can use 50 under 2 by 7, knowing 7 times 50 makes 350, 7 times 2 is 14, 350 plus 14 equals 364, giving us 364 divided by 7 equals 52.